All right, everybody. So I want to give you a quick walkthrough on this Relaxe massage chair. I've been in a ton of massage chair in my time, and I'm also 6'6". So this massage chair is the best one for me, and I'll tell you why. First off, this is why. It goes ahead and it adjusts to your height by moving and your leg length. So I can actually move it down. If I've got longer legs, go ahead and get all of my calf in there so that it's easy to massage. It also has a zero gravity mode, which also allows you to really recline back and feel a little bit better. It's honestly just a 10 out of 10 massage chair. This thing even massages to your butt. So it goes all the way from the top of your back, shoulder blades, to the bottom of your butt, which is super awesome, works super well. And I'll go ahead and give you a quick overview of this massage chair. So right now what it's doing is it's actually getting in and it's like calculating, calibrating where I'm at, where my body is in the chair. And then it's going to go ahead and start its auto mode, so which is F1. And this F1 auto mode is actually super awesome, works super well. So I'm gonna hop out while it's moving around so you can see how it works. And this is an arm and feet massage, so as you can see it's compressing right here with some air pressure. And it is in the zero gravity mode, which is my favorite mode. You can keep it very vertical if you'd like or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop out while it's doing its thing. It is in zero gravity mode, so it's a little hard to pop out. But as you can see, as it moves around on its own without me there, you've got the balls moving in the back and you've got your air pressure on your feet. A little overview of this controller here as it's on. You've got your F1 mode, which is just your auto mode. You can change it. You've got comfort mode, relax mode, stretch, shoulder and neck, back and waist, and you've got more option here. You can change the sitting posture right here. We're in the zero mode, which is also known as like anti-gravity mode, and then you can make it recline a little less or recline more, or put your feet up or feet down. You've got your air pressure, your intensity, mode, speed, width for your shoulder blades. You can increase and decrease. And then you've also got foot roller and you've got heating, which is one of my favorite when you get into the cooler months. You can change your shoulder position and you've got a timer right here. You can go ahead and pause it whenever you'd like. So I went ahead and pause it. As you can see, reaction is pretty quick. And to start it, you go ahead and hit the pause button again. So that's where I'm saying it gets the butt right there. If you don't like using a remote all the time and you just like this F1 auto mode, it goes ahead and it's already set for 20 minutes. And as you can see, also our arms and our feet, our intensity is at its max. I've got some knots I got to work out, so that's that. But right here, you've got this convenient little cup holder, phone holder, remote holder, or you can go ahead and set it here, where you've also got a USB holder and you can set your phone in it if you'd like. Over here, you do have another power button, which turns it on and gets it going. And then you've also got this recliner adjustments if you'd like, and you've got a voice mode right here, voice activation, and auto mode. Up here, you're asking what's the voice mode for? You've got these Bluetooth speakers so you can connect to your phone, whatever you like. And as you can see, obviously does a very good job of moving. This leather is super premium quality. The air pressure is very nice. As you can see, I'm pressing against it. I can't really force any out. It just works super well. So on the outside, you can see that this thing is super nice, very bougie. The colorway is nice. I love it a lot. The brown and the gold, kind of like a chromish brown. And in the back here, you've got your main power switch right down here. And then this is also your outlet. It's about 5 feet, 6 feet long, so it can reach a little bit out of the way if you got an outlet far out. Overall, this massage chair is a 10 out of 10. Can't recommend it more. I love it. My family loves it. We all take turns using it, especially when we got time to burn. So I give this thing a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna shut it off. Shut it off with the clicker right here. As you can see, it'll then go ahead and move into a position where you can get out easily. And yeah, 10 out of 10 device right here. Definitely recommend it. Relaxe is a quality brand with massage chair. And as you can see, they've just designed it for comfort. you know, you can take this off if you don't want the extra padding. The extra padding is super nice when you want that comfort. Obviously, quality is what matters in the massage chair world, and this thing is a quality device. Can't recommend it more. I love it. I'm also, because I'm 6'6", and I fit in this thing perfectly. I've been in massage chairs where my knees look like this, and I'm not getting any sort of massage on my legs. My upper body always gets worked, but this thing really does a good job. I love that it can change the width of the shoulders so that you can fit in it a little better. And yeah, it does a little bit better at adjusting to how you like your massage done. So definitely worth checking out this massage chair.